Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm here with a craft haul video as well as a card share. I was watching YouTube and was watching Gigi. She is a copy for Gigi here on YouTube, and I'm not sure if it was a D-stash or haul video, but she had a stamp set by Whimsy Stamps. So I wanted to check them out. So I went to their website and found some things that I had to have. So the first thing that I have is this really cute stamp set. It's called Bam, You're Old stamp set. It's super cute. Has a cityscape and has a little superhero looking chick, kaboom, and the clouds and the bomb and the TNT, bam. And I love how it says, and just like that, bam, you're super old or marvelous or a friend, cool, or hero. So this was the Bam, You're Old stamp set. And this is how she looks stamped out. Stamps really well. And then I picked up this background red rubber stamp. It's called Burst Background. I thought it went well with this stamp set, the Bam, Your Old stamp set. That's how that looks. And then I picked up this 3-piece Comic Burst die set. It's for an A2 size card. I don't make very many A2 size cards, but I thought I could make it work on the cards that I use. And then you have the 2 pieces that are like the clouds or the burst of debris. And then I picked up this stencil. It's called the Comic Halftone Stencil. So what it does is it gives the look like the comic books have, you know, on their faces and all over the comic strip itself. And I used, that's just my purple tape that I used to hold it down. And then last but not least, I got this metal craft die. It's the Slim Film Strip die. The Slimline Film Strip die. So this is for your Slimline cards. So it's a die that makes it look like a film strip. I did die cut this out to show you how it looks. This is with my Cricut glitter paper, which I love, and I think it turned out really cute. So let me show you the card that I made. So I used the Bam from the stamp set, and it says, and just like that, you're super old. And this is the metal die, and then I also used the background burst stamp. I put a couple of Nouveau drops here. I used the Gina K Premium Die Ink Tangerine Twist for the stamping part. And then, of course, I used my VersaFine Black. But that's super cute. So that's the card that I made. Just a quick note that when I did receive the stamp set initially, the girl was attached to the city and attached to the kaboom. So I wanted to pull her off. I tore her hair because she was still attached to this. So I contacted the stamp company, and they were gracious enough to send me another stamp at, you know, no additional cost. So I thought that was great. But there's my card, and I hope to show you another card soon with the little superhero chick on it. Tell me what you think below. Thank you for watching, and to my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.